Hi, I'm Sarah, co-founder of Glow Recipe. Today I'm here at our labs to show you how our new product, the Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream, is made from scratch. Let's get started. So the first step is to cut up fresh banana to make banana water, which is our main ingredient for the banana moisturizer. So we chose banana because we were looking for the best superfruit out there to help reduce redness, calm inflamed skin, and give moisture to dryness. And banana has all of these properties. Banana is really rich in magnesium, potassium, vitamin B6, and amino acid. Magnesium really helps to rebalance the skin. It helps to reduce inflammation. Potassium helps to relieve irritation and moisturize the skin all day long. So together with these properties, banana really helps to soothe and hydrate your skin. So once we're done cutting up the fresh bananas, we're going to distill it to create banana water. The banana water actually has a natural banana scent. Now that we have the banana water, we're going to add additional ingredients. Let's go through some of the highlights. So the first ingredient that we're going to add is turmeric. Turmeric is antioxidant rich and it's an anti-inflammatory ingredient that helps to reduce redness and irritation while brightening the skin. So this is a raw form, but we're going to use turmeric extract for the blend. Then chia seed really helps to maintain the skin's moisture level and treat dryness. We're also going to use chia seed extract for the blend. Banana already has magnesium, but we wanted to add more because magnesium really helps to relax and rebalance the skin, especially the inflamed areas, and reduce redness. It also helps to keep the skin's barrier healthy. CENTELLA ASIATICA, known as CICA, which many of you know, is the holy grail when it comes to soothing and calming the skin. It's actually amazing to treat dryness and irritated skin. Sodium hyaluronate, aka hyaluronic acid, is one of the most powerful hydrating ingredients out there. It holds 1,000 times of its weight in water, which is why it penetrates deeper and works really well to hydrate. Jojoba oil is an anti-inflammatory ingredient that is rich in vitamin A, C, and E, and it also mimics skin's sebum, which is why it penetrates deeply into the skin layers and get that moisture going all day long. It's also safe for all skin types, including sensitive and acne prone. Once the rest of the ingredients are added, and you can always find the full ingredient list on our packaging and on our website, the formula looks like this. It's really beautiful and it's naturally colored and scented, and it has this bouncy texture, but it still needs 48 hours for it to form the final texture where it will really be like that souffle pudding texture. Now that we have the formula, it's time to move on to packaging. Each jar is recycled and recyclable for sustainability purposes. So this is the assembly line for the finished goods of Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. Here, we're mixing the final bulk to make sure the texture is nice and fluffy. And then they're all being filled into our glass jars with the pre-measured amount. So once the glass jars are filled, we're adding our lid on top to make sure it's protected. And then here, we're printing lot codes under the jars so we can track our product. Once everything is printed, we're adding our jars into our cartons. So here is a separate assembly line where the cartons are being folded. And then once that's all put into the cartons, we're adding stickers so everything is sealed and ready to go. That's it. So that was the making of our Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. I can't wait to try this fresh off the press first jar from our first batch. I hope you guys enjoyed our step-by-steps. You can find this on Sephora.com today and glowrecipe.com, and I can't wait for everyone to try it. Get your glow on!